morning. As always, guys, gotta keep it down. People sleeping here early in the morning. But here we go. Let's get we gotta try and fix our screens here. So. Somewhere, I feel like. Let's see. Something got screwed up with my tray today, but I'll work on fixing it. But in the meantime, I'm gonna look at also getting me on this BS right here for my eval. But I don't have any. See if this, see how this fair value gap reacts. It's looking like we're getting a good reaction off that. I mean, we pinpointed the entry almost perfect, so yes, we want to modify. We're going to take this to break even. On this account, we're up. What is that? 804 points. We're trading at like I think we're trading at 250 a point right here on the ES. This isn't my normal charts, by the way, so. But I can still see how I want to trade. So 250 a point. I'm going to make 8 points probably. Let's go to like a 5-minute. I think we want to get it right about here. pass this evaluation. 50K account evaluation. Funded. All this stuff is really messed up. Yeah, that was like nailed the entry. Doesn't always work out that well. But yeah, we don't need all these indicators. That's all garbage. Bollinger I like, but not this Bollinger. So I need it as well. I don't like that. What else is going on with this chart that I don't like? Oh, so many things. Let's see. Not indicators. Here it is, settings. Day volume profile. I mean, I don't really need it. Market depth, I don't need it. Fills and orders. Don't need to see the fills. Don't need to see the trade lines. I do like orders to be shown. Price levels. I don't need to see the high for the day or the low for the day. There we go. Now we're starting to get a clean chart. You don't need to watch crypto, financials, currencies, energies. I mean, metals, we could watch gold. Copper and silver. Grains, no. Meats. Sauce. Stocks. No. Indices. Orders. Got all that. NQ. Put that over there. CL will just close. Yeah, nice little 40-point move right off the open. I mean, more you want. I was watching ES just because it was what was pulled up. I saw that we were already pushing here. Let's go to the 1 minute. That's because that's what I traded off of, but yeah. It already started pushing, and then right at the open, had a nice big expansion. Had a nice fair value gap left right here. We had this pullback candle. I said, okay, if we just sweep the low of that candle, which puts us right at about 50%. could have also looked for that, but let's be like, I'm not in a hurry. We had like a big move here. We actually have a lower fair value gap down here that was created on ES that wasn't created on NQ. So ES is respecting this gap though. This should push higher. NQ swept this low at 54. Do have my funded account here. This one I'm not going to trade as a direct account. This one we'll just trade one contract. Tell you what, if we can limit in here, we'll take one. If this candle's respected, we'll stop out. Yeah, a couple ticks below the low, yes. And then we'll just target like about a 1-to-1, which would be right about that high, which would be the sell limit, but we got to be triggered in the buy limit first. So see what happens here. 645, we usually get an increase. I mean, you could almost just buy stop. Yeah, thought so. Creating probably what's another fair value gap here, it looks like. Which means now I'll probably just want to get in right here, honestly. Wait, what? I don't know, some sort of glitch. This is not, like, this might appear like a chase, but I'm just following the fair value gaps. So we'll wait for this one to come back to us. See when it closes. Probably about 50% of this candle somewhere. Maybe somewhere right around there, I would guess. That'll be our risk. That'll be our reward. We can get rejection off of this, so we will tighten out this. To the bottom of what's appearing to be that fair value gap. If we get push up to like 85 or so, we'll go break even. But you can see we're only risking 7 points based on shoot. I don't know what's going on with my OSB. We literally missed this exit by a tick. It looks like 3 ticks, but no worries. I mean, we're free rolling this trade, so just gonna leave it where it's at. If we get stopped out, we might try to re-enter. Yeah, we'll go for a re-entry here. That's, yeah, 75. We'll risk. Bottom of the fair value gap again. risking 4.5 points on this trade. We're going for 13-ish points. We'll see if it holds out. We may lose 5 points here. Yeah, it's fine. If this candle closes with the wick, we might just buy the bid, but we'll see. Otherwise, we're inverting this fair value gap. Still got 30 seconds. We might just sell the ask on an inverted fair value gap. Yeah, I think we can sell the ask, honestly. This is gone. Oh wow. Yeah, we inverted that fair value gap, and we made, let's see this one maybe move down, but oh, we made $200. That was kind of our goal for the account today, is to make between 2 to 500 trading ICT concepts. So you guys saw me going with this trend, pretty straightforward, as long as fair value gaps are being respected. We missed the exit on this long by like 3 ticks, which is fine. I don't care. I was just looking to make like 10 points or 200. But then we immediately saw this fair value gap invert, and as soon as it was like, before it was even confirmed inverted, it was like obvious to me it was going to be inverted, so I just went ahead and sold it. Went for 15 points, which covered the 5-point loss I made here, plus put 10 points in the bank for today. And that's all you need. Now you have a fair value gap created here. If this inverted fair value gap up here, I don't think that one will be retested with this move. This fair value gap may be retested. Let's see. Shrink the size. Yeah, you do have another fair value gap created here on ES. You could look to see if it confirms. Risk would be pretty small, just a couple points. But yeah, guys, like that's it. Like, we're done trading for the day. We passed account 84. We got it over the 3K target, trading this first fair value gap on ES to the long side. And then we went to our funded account. We traded this inverted fair value gap to the downside for a winner. So we made 1,000 yesterday trading a couple fair value gaps. And we just took profits early at power hour on this count yesterday. So we only needed another 2,000 to finish. I say only, like, you can see actually here, after this big expansion move down, ES maybe inverting this fair value gap, which might be actually worth. But you don't want to trade it with more than one. I don't know, let's see if this move actually closes above. No, it doesn't, so this would have actually been a nice reversal pattern, but now I'd say, since this has been expected, you could, I don't know, I'm kind of iffy. I'm not going to trade it. Yeah, I feel like it's going to invert, honestly, but if this was just a pullback in this larger move, and now we're probably going to head up again. But it feels a little too unpredictable right here. And markets, you can't predict them. Like, that's not what I'm trying to do, honestly. I'm just trying to look for, like, low risk to reward trades. And just, like, use the fair value gaps to go with the flow. That's all you need. You don't need to be like a genius at trading. What you need is low risk to reward setups. Yeah, see, so if you would have shorted this fair value gap, it's not really going anywhere, but you also didn't get the signal to long it either, so you got wicks through it and not a close. So you're kind of just in like no man's land, other than maybe, yeah, you can say that this was respected and it should push lower. I hate shorting though. It always feels like shorting's my nemesis. Yeah, every time I go into profit shorting, it's like it always just does these crazy bounce backs in my face. See how we couldn't even get it close below this low on the ES, and then you got this divergence here on NQ as well. This higher low, even though this is pretty lower low. So this whole situation is sketchy to me. Anyway, guys, plan on streaming every morning. We'll see. So tomorrow I'll have 2 funded accounts with Apex, and we'll see how